think I feel good. I doesn't think about nothing else. Just painting is something so easy for me and I can't do that. Here is Afghanistan and here is some other country. This is different things between other people and Afghanistan's people. She's that ladies to open the border for refugees to come here. I love to go somewhere to learning painting so well. I can use my talent.